In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. So in the previous video, I introduced you to vertical angles and I proved why they're always equal. So let me draw that. I'm going to draw a line. Actually, let me not draw that. Let me draw two parallel lines. These lines are parallel. They never intersect. And I'm going to draw an intersecting line that intersects both parallel lines. They call that a transversal. Now, you remember in the previous video about vertical angles, we know that this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. Okay? What I want to do now is prove to you that this angle and this angle are equal, and that this angle and this angle are equal, and that this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. The way I'm going to do that is, if you get this angle right here, and you translate it down to right here, this angle, and slide it down to right here, you know that they're equal. Now, this is an assumption. No actual person knows the proof as to why these two angles are equal, other than using a protractor to measure those two angles to see if they're equal. But it's assumed. And whenever you assume that these two angles are equal, you can solve many geometry problems and check them with protractors and rulers to find they're pretty much right, always, every single time. And since these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal, these two angles must be equal. And that's an alternate exterior angle. This angle right here, you can translate it down to right here, and that these two angles are equal. There's no proof for that. And since these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. That's another alternate exterior angle. Now let's go to the alternate interior angles. This angle right here, I'm going to slide it down to right here, translate it down to right here. And since these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal, these two angles must be equal. And I'm going to get this angle, slide it down to right here, and they're equal. There's no proof for that, but you must assume that. And you get a protractor and measure it, and they're equal. That's the best proof you're going to find is I'm using a protractor. So this angle here and this angle here is equal, and this angle right here is equal to this angle. So this angle right here must be equal to this angle. And that's another alternate interior angle, alternate interior angles. And that's it for this video. Other than, actually, I want to say that whenever you have vertical angles proven to you and alternate interior and exterior angles proven to you, you can use that as a tool added to your toolkit to solve many problems in geometry. Once you have problems actually put out in front of you with geometry, you can use vertical angles or alternate interior exterior angles to try and solve problems. And that's what I'm doing so far in these first videos of geometry. I'm just going to give you the basic ideas that you can use to add to your toolkit to solve problems in geometry. And that's it. Until next time. See you later.